Happy Thanksgiving! What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And before we get into this video, I just want to say Happy Thanksgiving, and also thank you for subscribing to our channel, because we wouldn't be at 400 without you guys. And today we are just gonna eat, and it's a family gathering, and we're gonna eat food, play with our cousins, and yeah, I think that's it.
Alright guys, so welcome back to another video or another vlog. Like he said, we apologize for it's been a while since we last uploaded our last video, and we just want to say thank you for your patience and thank you for allowing us to do what we have to do. I know this is really that time of the year where everybody's busy. You know, it's just our schedule's been really hectic, and we just been busy doing a lot of things, and so we thank you for your patience, and we just want to continue to say thank you, and we're very appreciative for we're very appreciative for your support, and we ask that you would continue to just follow our journey and just help us grow our journey. Now tonight's vlog is really not that special. I'm sorry, let me rephrase that. Tonight's vlog, it's
not really
no, tonight's vlog, it's just gonna be family time. Of course, tonight is a Thanksgiving, so before we move on into the video or show you or take you on the vlog tonight, we just want to take this time or this opportunity to say that we're very thankful. We're one of the things that I'm really thankful as a dad to my kids is I'm thankful to God for allowing us to be just being together as a family, and we hope that you with your family, we hope that you also do the same thing, just enjoy each other's company. And so we're just really grateful that we're still alive, and we're still
videos.
We're still here, so we're very grateful, and we thank God for this opportunity. We thank you for your comments and your likes and your support on the last videos. Let us know if you guys want us to do more of those kind of videos where we do if you folks want us to do a Chuukese mukbang or mukbang, or where we show a lot of food, just eat food and just conversate with you folks, or we show you guys how to cook something. We're not professionals, we're not chefs, but we like to share with you folks and just have a good time prepping or preparing a meal, or that kind of stuff. So let us know. So once again, we hope you guys have a really good Thanksgiving. Let's continue to grow, and I guess we said that we would like to have our subscribers around 500 or even more before Christmas, and it looks like we're in that trend where we're climbing up there. So hopefully you guys continue to tell your friends and family, everybody, tell them to subscribe. All right, so hope you guys like. We already like doing that. And he's like, welcome back to another video. He's like, welcome back to another video. Anyway,
Bam, bam,
where's Elston?
Downstairs.
Elston is just like playing. Elston, he's a baby, so he's playing. Is he playing with toys, or like
he's playing with cards?
Your cousins? All right guys, so we can't wait to eat dinner because we are all hungry, so we'll see you guys later. Okay, peace out. Boom. Chuukese Thanx Giving Dinner.
Yan, sige, may tukar para to sa piso.
So,
Mario, pag na piso. Such. Dapat paso mi palmo kergich. Maray paso. Acak kapag Thanksgiving yung kitchen. So, acak. So, yan, kapag so,
ang ito, very fun. So many kids may visit.
Never need teach medicine. So, pag may fiats, pag kiniso palagi, pag kinikitsin fanso, sabat sekmutin, apa saat kapugiri ren. Happy Thanksgiving, kinikits medicine. Pag-adim.
Thanksgiving. Atakal pa ni siya. Buwagis.
Paano po ganun kids medicine?
Happy Thanksgiving.
Pag-ilisan sa pool, may palikiray. Sapat sa palit. Kilisong yung ikot. Kids medicine. Parang usong-usong sa activist rin. Ay sa one connected to. Yung seryoso ka sa karangan. Ngayon. Kilisong nariyan po sapat sa palit. Panirasa. Sabun. Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
There's a party with me between today, but I give it to me before. It's so that. If that's me, see me happy, see me happy. It's something that many family kids. It is so red. And I in this it's make it represent so many kids me. Panatalan, it is so red. Tumod. Sili most. Dumi kaya yung mga pangkit kids in sa tayo. It is so tough for them to be simple. And it is so big to a part of the family. It is so relaxing.
So,
Happy Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
I would like to say that I'm thankful for everybody's health and happiness this last year. God has given us many blessings, and I'm thankful for those. And I hope that He continues to give us our health and happiness in the future. Thank you.
thank you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
I just want to thank God for this day He's given us. Thank Him for all the blessings He's given us. Not much. I just want to thank Him for blessing me with all of you. I too am blessed to be a part of this family. So I want to thank God for each and every one of you, especially all our kids. I pray that all our kids, you guys grow up to remember God in everything. And just thank you for all of you and love you all. That's all.
We love you too.
Thank you.
For happy Thanksgiving. It's so very important that we made sin.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
thankful for God protecting our Santos family when they went to Chuuk and when they came back. And I'm thankful for God protecting me and my family. And Mama.
That's it? Thank you. What about us?
I'm thankful that me and my family had an opportunity to go to Chuuk and stay there for 2 weeks. I love staying in Chuuk because there's lots of animals that I can see and meeting people there. That's all.
I'm thankful for having a family always there when I need them. I'm thankful for everything that God has blessed me with. And that's all I need to say.
I just want to thank God for allowing all of us to come here tonight and spend time together as a family. And
Happy Thanksgiving, and I'm thankful for God being there when we need Him and everywhere else, and that He watched over our family and giving us strength through the hard times. And I'm also thankful for my family and my church, so I can learn more about God.
I just want to thank God for all of us gathering together. I'm blessed to have this life. Hopefully many more to come. That's it.
Okay, I just want to say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
I'm thankful for God protecting our family. And in 6 days, it's my 11th birthday. Oh, hi. That's all.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
I'm thankful for being here with everybody, and I'm thankful for God, and I'm thankful for soliciting them from the trip. I'm glad they're safe.
It's okay, you don't have to cry.
And yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Hey, who's next? Jelly?
I just wanted to give thanks to the Lord because
Over here.
He watched over me and my family while we were going to our trip and when we came back. I also thank Him for everything we have because while we were at our trip in Chuuk, I saw that there was many people who didn't have all the things that we had here. So I'm thankful for everything He's given us.
Good job.
Good job, Celine. Thank you.
It's para sa kisong yelikot pera pamara betul kenyeri panin kita medisin. Okay, so pues para eso pues
Yeah. Please.
I know.
¿Cuánto por acá? ¿Cuánto tengo?
Hey, fellas, my food.
A ver.
Good, my food. Fast again?
Mars, are you done?
Yeah. Maple. Enak satu dulu. Ya? Iya. Hah? Enak satu dulu.
Did you eat? Huh? Janice, did you eat? Yes? You eat? Okay, so the food right there. Let's show a little bit of the dessert. Oh, not dessert, it's desserts. I don't know what this is called, but it sure look good. Pumpkin roll. Oh, look at that. Look. Oh, okay. Ano tara? My goodness! Oh my goodness!
How do you think about the food, Mars?
Oh wait,
Food was good. My stomach hurts.
How about Alex? Alex, what do you think about the food?
Hey, it's our turn. It's our turn.
How about you? Lancer, how do you think about the food?
Oh, it's good, man. I'm stuffed like a stuffed turkey.
Yeah, well,
Stuffed
they
turkey.
share the house that they live in now. They share with my my stepdad's.
Alright, guys. Everyone's
And they were
just
like,
playing around
It's our turn. Me and
and
Mar's turn.
talking to friends. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, my thing for the food, it was good. I got a thumbs up, but I know I wasted some food. The good thing was pumpkin roll. That was the best. Yeah. And comment down below what's your favorite thing to eat on Thanksgiving. See you guys in the next. Someone's awake. What up? And everyone's just playing.
I miss you.
And he's and Janice is getting ready to eat. And Rossin too. And then look at everyone. And everyone.
These are wireless.
Bro, just get regular wireless.
Alright guys, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you like this little short vlog. And before we end the video, I just want to say happy Thanksgiving to you guys. And the verse of the day is Ephesians 6:1. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. I chose this verse because you guys need to obey your parents because they do everything for you. They raised you to be good kids. See you guys in the next video. Peace.